So I have another huge thrift haul, and I'm gonna go through, show you what I got, and maybe do a little try on. First thing I got were these Aerie offline crossover leggings, and these are like the wide leg. And then I also got the crossover just plain old leggings. So I hope these fit. They're size medium, so they might be a little long. These are cute and they fit pretty well, but the back goes up really high. Like, this is a crop top and it's already touching it, and then the legs are obviously super long, but they fit well, so maybe I'll keep them. These are the straight regular leggings. They fit pretty well. Again, super high up the back, but they fit well. The ankle fits good. I just kind of rolled it a little bit, and they have pockets, so big thumbs up. Next thing I found were these cute pinkish salmon shorts with little fake pockets in the back. They're J. Crew. Oh, the pockets are real. Hold on. Are they? I can't tell if the pockets are real. Either way, they're super cute, kind of loose, flowy. I feel like these are good for summer, so picked these up. Okay, these are the J. Crew shorts. I think they're really cute from the front. I don't know if I really like them from the back very much. They're not very flattering. And the pocket does work, but it's like that deep, so it doesn't even matter. But they're cute from the front, deep pockets in the front. So they're a little itchy though. I still like them. Then I also got these Nike Pro shorts. Can't have enough of these. These are like the newer version, and I know so many people don't like the newer ones, but I love them, so good find. I tried on the Nike Pros. They fit great. They don't feel weird anywhere, so it's always good to have extra pairs of these. The next thing I found is this cute Harley Davidson zip up. It's definitely too big for me, but I know someone that might like it. It has it on the back and also down the arm sleeve. This is what it looks like up to me. A little big. Then I found this shirt. It's not very practical at all, and this little back piece is broken, but I think I can fix it with my sewing skills. So can't really try this one on, but there, this is what it would look like. It's kind of cute, kind of fun. Every single one of these that I've ever found has been ripped in that same spot, so I think I'd be kind of scared to wear this out, but it's just like a fun little thing. Also, like, where would I ever wear that? I don't know, but okay. Then I got this headband, like sweatband, I mean. I feel like it's really like skinny and makes my head look weird. I have one that I like for tennis. I'm always looking for tennis accessories, but this, I think this is my first thumbs down. I don't like this. I also found a couple little things. So I got these brand new Ralph Lauren socks, so that was a good find. I like the little detail, little Ralph Lauren on the foot, and these are like good working socks, which I need to start accumulating. And then I also got this Kendall and Kylie bathing suit bottom. I don't know how much I like them now. They look like the Calvin Klein underwear, so I don't know. I like this little detail, so I mean, maybe they could be cute. The last thing that I got for clothes is this little Hollister shirt. It says it's size small, but maybe it's a little wide, but we'll see. I like the polka dots. I think that's cute. Okay, I actually like this. It's like short. It's like a crop top, but a little cuter. So actually, I'm glad that I got this. I feel like I'll use this on one of my little mini vacations this summer. Then I also got a couple little things. I got this hat. I mean, I'd obviously fix it and put my ponytail under, but it's cute. I might have one exactly like it, but I always need hats to match my tennis outfits, so good find. Now we're moving on to shoes. when I went there, somebody definitely had my size, which is hard to find because I wear a 3.5 kids or like a 5 sometimes in like women's. So I found these. I feel like these are very like, they're kind of cute, kind of casual. They were in really good shape. All of the ones that I saw were. These are size 4, so in kids, which means they're size 6 in women, so they might be a little big. But I don't know, the blue is cute. I like the little suede, and they're in like really good shape, so good find. I found these heels, which are so perfect, size 36. I don't know what that means, but they look small, so I'm just gonna hope for the best. And like these like lace up, like one side's like rope and then one side is all like, I don't know, diamondy, so they all like lace up. These are the next pair I got. I'm very excited. They're so neutral, so good for everything. They look kind of big, but it says that they're size 5, so we'll see. I haven't tried any of these on, but I will and let you know. Then I got these. They're also like a lace up and they're super cute, but they also look, these definitely look big. But I was hopeful, so I got them, and I was delusional. So now I have them and I hope they fit. Okay, these are the last pair I was super excited for. They're in such good shape, like, and on the inside they look hardly even worn, but they're like little Reebok shoes, and they look small, so I think these will fit. It says that they're 5.5, which is a little big, but I was most excited about these. I took out the laces to like clean them, but they might fit. I'm back with the results. All of the sneakers fit. The tan heels fit. These, way too big, and also maybe I just don't like this style because like I felt like I was wearing flip-flops that were heels and like my heel was like falling out. Like, where's the support in this? So anyway, these didn't fit very well. Like, I felt like I was like falling out of them, but I also didn't take off my socks trying any of these because I was really lazy. So maybe I'll give these another shot when I'm less lazy and maybe they'll fit, because these are my favorite and they're so cute. Like, oh, looks so good. The last 2 little things I got were this little ice maker that makes like tiny cubes, and it's so little, and I like tiny ice, so this is perfect. And then the last thing I got, I don't know if they're all here and I don't know what these little pieces are, but it looks like a card game called Girl Talk, and it's like there's dares, there's like challenges, so I feel like this would be fun to like play with my friends. So that's everything that I got today. I got everything at Goodwill, and yeah, I think I had a pretty good haul. There was obviously some stuff that didn't fit or I didn't end up liking once I tried everything on at home, but overall I kept most of the stuff, and I'm actually wearing those like crossover leggings now because they're so comfy. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more and give me a like. Bye.